Hello and welcome. Hey, it's Brian G. Johnson, and you're watching video number 5 in a multi-video WordPress tutorial that is covering how to launch and install a WordPress website that's optimized for visitors as well as a search engine. And we're covering 3 basic strategies to drive traffic, along with a whole myriad of other features and whatnot that will help you move forward. And those 3 features are how to install a WordPress website that takes advantage of images in Google SERPs. So here you can see this is a Google Plus listing and it's got a thumbnail image. Now these images really help to improve rankings in Google, and just as important, they help to drive more clicks. In other words, when people search, they see the images and they click through far more often than a listing that does not have an image. That's number 1. Number 2, we're also using video sitemaps to also improve video rankings and click-throughs in the search engines. And number 3, we're optimizing WordPress to load much faster. I'll tell you, WordPress is pretty darn slow when it comes to page load, and that's very important in 2014. And this multi-part video series can be accessed at Marketing Easy Street, and simply look for WordPress tutorial installation and optimization for SEO. This particular video is video number 5. And we're covering how to choose a theme and how to install the theme, okay? And that's where we're at right now. So this is the website that we're buying. This is the website that we're launching and configuring. And in this video tutorial series, I walk you through the entire process from installation all the way to plugins, adding content, and much more. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to log into our dashboard. So you can see here we're logged in. This black bar represents the fact that we're logged in. And if you simply hover over it, you'll see you get some selections. I'm going to select Dashboard. And to choose a theme we're going to want to use, we're going to go ahead and simply access the menu on the left. And we're going to navigate to Appearance. And then under Appearance, we're going to select Themes. Now here you can see several themes are already pre-installed with every WordPress installation. And these are some pretty nice themes, but if you want to choose your own theme, it's quite easy. You're just going to select Add New Theme. You're going to click the plus sign, and it takes you to this page where you can search for a multiple WordPress themes that you can use. So let's say I wanted a theme that had a kind of a blueprint look. I could search the themes for blueprint, and here I see, I'm not sure if this is quite what I want, but this gives you an idea of the functionality of looking and searching for various themes. Now I can get a preview by just hovering over and clicking preview, and we see we've got a header here. We also have some page navigation. We have some dates and whatnot. We have a nice sidebar. I'm going to close and get out of that. I'm going to go back to Themes. I'm going to click Add New Theme again, and I'm going to select Featured. Now here, there are some different ways in which you can install a theme. You can search, like we did here. Let's say we want to do a photo blog. I can simply search for photo, and here we get a lot of different themes that focus on photos. In fact, this one looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and do a preview of this theme, and you can see, man, this looks absolutely gorgeous, and it doesn't cost us a thing. So we get looks like some sections here for this particular theme. You can see how it looks. Looks pretty nice. We can go back and look at the other featured photo blogs. Let's take a look at this one. Let's get a preview. This theme is called Noteworthy, so I'll click a preview again, and again it gives us a good representation. You can see here we've got some images, some features, pretty neat theme, pretty awesome. So this gives you a lot of opportunity to find themes that don't cost a cent. One of the things I would recommend you do is to look for a theme that's simple and easy to understand for visitors. You know, one of the things you want to do is you want to make it very easy for visitors to understand how to navigate your site. So stick to basic rules like a sidebar on the right. You'll always find most themes have sidebars on the right, which is pretty awesome. Also, you know, general kind of navigation or social media icons like this theme has, and so on. So these are all some nice photo blog themes that we could use. However, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use and install Optimizedpress. And why would I want to use Optimizedpress? Well, I've pulled up the Optimizedpress website here, and Optimizedpress makes it really, really easy to use so many different features, and it's integrated with so many different services like webinar services, list building such as Aweber or MailChimp. Let me just show you some of the things that are integrated. Now, number one, notice the modern design, the clean layout. You can create sales pages, security portals, product launch funnels, authority blogs. In fact, I'm using the authority blog feature on my website, which is Marketing Easy Street. If we go to the home page, you'll see this is Optimizedpress 2. Lots of good, powerful features that are available. Again, landing pages, sales pages, free training, webinar registration pages. Now, this is really cool. If you're an internet marketer, you can send someone to a webinar registration page, and when they sign up, you can also sign them up to your newsletter. And building a list is very, very important. Mobile-ready versions as well. So let's take a look further. So as I mentioned, mobile-ready, you can see that if someone accesses the site on a cell phone, the website is optimized for the cell phone right off the bat. Pretty powerful. There are many, many different templates to choose from inside of Optimizedpress, and this gives you a lot of power and flexibility when using just one theme. Another thing that I really, really like about Optimizedpress is we have a feature that's called elements, custom elements. And what that allows you to do is incorporate things such as a drop-down arrow or a big arrow that draws attention to something on a blog, or audio players, or block quotes that are formatted very nicely with graphical images. There's button, different types of image integration. There's so many different things. Testimonials are built in. You'll see integration with Aweber, Infusionsoft, One Shopping Cart, Office Autopilot, MailChimp, iContact, and lots more. It's a great system to create customer portals with, and that's what I create all my coaching programs with, is Optimizedpress. So it's a great theme, and that's what we're going to get up and running with in our next video, and that's going to be video number 6. I'm going to show you how to install Optimizedpress, and then once we install the theme, we're going to configure the theme and start adding content to our website. We're also going to incorporate about 10 to 12 different plugins to really optimize our installation of WordPress, allowing us to drive more traffic and get better results. So that's the next video. It's video number 6, and I'll see you in just a minute.